Hey guys, welcome back. Uh, Out of the entire set modules that we covered, this is the last topic which I would like to cover with you so that you understand the concepts about operators. This is very important topic wherein you can understand the permutation combination in which you can use them and the effect of those operators. Yeah. We'll try to make it more graphical so that you can understand the concepts very clearly. So when I'm saying set operators in Python are special symbols, yeah, and functions that allow you to perform various operations on sets, such as union. We have this union method, intersection method, difference method, difference, but this time we'll use as them as an symbol or an operator. Now, these operators provide a way to combine, compare, and modify sets. Yeah. Now there are various types of operators. We'll go through them one by one. Yes. So the first operator that we are going to cover this time is the union operator, which is the pipe symbol. Yeah. So let me formulate this. So what is union operator? Now the union operator is used to unite two sets. Yeah. Now of distinct elements. So now this will combine two sets and give you distinct elements that are available in both sets. Yeah, combine. Now, let me show you. Now, this is how it will look like. So it will combine the set A and set B, and it will also combine the common elements between the set A and B, but it will show only single elements of this common elements. So suppose I have 1 and 2 in one of the set. So let me give you an example. So suppose my set has 1 comma 2. Yeah. So this is my set. Yeah. And this is the union. This is the way of symbolizing in mathematics. So you have another set which is 2 comma 3. Yeah. So the output of this will be 1 comma 2 comma 3. Yeah. So what it is doing is it is combining both the sets, but it will also eradicate duplicates and give you only the unique elements from both the sets. So this is where the combination lies here in between. So it will give you only once, even though there is a multiple instance of a particular element from both the sets. So in Python, you can perform the union operation using union function or the pipe operator. This operation combines the elements of two set elements while eliminating duplicates, resulting a new set containing all unique elements from the both the sets. Yeah, you need to remember this. So let me take you through some example to make you understand how it works. So we'll use the pipeline or operator as well, and we'll also use the. So suppose I have the set 1, comma 2. Yeah, I have this S3 equal to. Let me make it more simple. Let me make it 3, 5, comma 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me have one more set. Let me show you the example with this only. Okay, I'm using this what is this operator? This union operator. So I'll say union set. I'm giving this method a name. Yeah. So using union, we are combining these two sets, and by using union operator, we are combining the two sets. So S1 and the pipe symbol that we spoke about, S2. Yeah. So there are two methods that we are using. This is again a union operator, but we are using the words to combine this, and we are using an union operator, that's a pipeline symbol. What I wanted to do here is show you that both the sets, both the options give you the same result. Combine set using union method. Yeah. And set using pipe operator. Yeah. So let's run this code. See this? The output for both of them is the same. So either you use a union method or you use a pipe operator to combine both the sets. Yeah. So this is what we spoke about union operator. The second operator that we need to look at is the intersection operator. Yeah. This is intersection operator, which is symbolized by ampersand. Yeah. Symbol. Now what it looks like is, let me show you an image. It will help you to visualize what it looks like. So you have two sets A and B. Intersection operator will give you only the common elements between A and B. Yeah. So the intersection function or the operator to or the ampersand operator to perform the operation results in giving you elements which are available in both the sets. Yeah, you need to remember that. So what happens is, if I have to give you the same example which I have shown you earlier. So unions in mathematics, it is the symbol to show intersection is this inverted U. And suppose I have this one set 1 and 2, 2 and 3. It will give me the intersection. That is 2 is the common element between both the sets. Yeah, we need to understand that. So Python provides the intersection function. So we have two, as we had for union, we have intersection function, which we have seen earlier, which can be used to find common elements between two sets. Yes. Let's use our same example this time. So I'll use intersection. Yeah. Just check what all things I am changing. I'm just changing few operators. I'm doing nothing else. So this is intersection. Yeah. Offsets. And then we have intersection operator. Yeah. We are doing it using intersection method, and the second we are using ampersand operator. Yeah. So what we are doing is we are trying to find out the common elements between two sets, either by this intersection function, or you can use the symbol that is ampersand. Both will give you the same result. So let's see the results. Oh, have I missed anything? Let me see. Intersection is, I've spelled it incorrectly. Okay. Yeah. See, both of these methods have given me the same output. Whether I use intersection function or I use the ampersand operator to find common elements between two sets. Yeah. Now the next operator that we are going to learn is the difference operator. Yeah. Let me first difference operator, which is denoted by a minus symbol. Yeah. Now the difference or subtraction between two sets contains element present in the first set, but not in the second set. Yeah. So it will contain all the elements from the first set after removing the common element from the other set. So let me show you an image which will help you to understand. Yeah. So suppose I have this element sets A and B. So if there are any common elements that would be removed from A, yeah, common elements which are common to B will be removed from A, and the remaining elements of A will be shown in the output. Yeah. So you can either use the difference function or the minus operator in order to get the same output. So the resulting contents will only have the elements unique to the first set. Let me show you this with an example again. Let us use the same examples that we have used earlier so that you understand the differences. I usually have a practice of using the same example because that way you try to interpret things. Yeah. So using the difference will change. There is no difference in the code. We are just changing the symbols or the method as you can see right here. Operator. Yeah, we are using minus sign here. Let me, here we are using the difference method, and here we are using the minus operator. Yeah, let's see the output, whether we are getting all the elements from set 1, that is 1, 2, 3. There is a common element that is 3 between both the sets. Hence, it has removed 3 from the first set and it is showing you the unique elements from set 1 only. Yeah. So what it does is it provides difference between the two sets, but it will show the difference only from the set 1. Yeah. So the resulting set contains elements unique to the first set after removing the duplicates being compared with set 2. Now you need to understand S1 minus S2 is not the same as S2 minus S1. So if I try to do it other way, if I put S2 minus S1, yeah, and if I try to print it, you will see it will give me the other way around. So it will give me the unique elements from the set B, yeah, and it will remove the element from set 1. So it should give me 4 and 5. Can you see this? So what it does is it since S2 is the first element here and S1 is the one which is getting subtracted, it checks for the common elements between S from S2 to S1 and it removes the common element which is again 3 and it prints the elements which are available in the set 2 because I am subtracting S1 from S2. Previously, I was subtracting S2 from S1. So the set from which it is getting subtracted will get its elements using the difference operator. Yeah. Let's try and understand the next operator here now. The next operator that we have is the symmetric difference operator. So let me write it. Yeah. And it is denoted by the apostrophe symbol. So this is denoted by this symbol. I'll show you. Yeah. Now what it does is the symmetric difference of two sets consists of elements that are present in either of the set. So it removes the common elements and it shows only the elements which are available in both the set without any duplicates. Yeah, let me show you an image which will help you to understand it more clearly. Here you have two sets A and B. It will show elements of A and B, but it will remove the duplicates which are available from A and B. Yeah. So the Python provides a symmetric difference function or the apostrophe operator to perform this operation. The resulting set contains elements that are unique in each set after removing the duplicates. Yeah. Let's use the same example again. S1. This is example. We are using the symmetric difference. I just make a few changes here so that we get the right. Here we need to change the formula. Symmetric difference. Yeah, and we need to have this, not the ampersand, not the, we need to have the apostrophe here. Yeah, good to go? No, we need to symmetric difference here and we have also, okay. Excuse me for my spellings mistakes if there are any. So what we are doing here, we have the same sets and we are trying to find out the symmetric difference where it will show the elements only from A and B after removing the duplicates which are or the common elements which are between A and B. Yeah. Usually it should give you the answer 1, 2, 4, and 5 after removing 3, which is the duplicate between or the common element between both the sets. Let's see what is the output. Yeah. So both are methods. The symmetric difference method, which you have seen in our earlier videos as well, and this apostrophe operator gives you the same output. Yeah. So what it gives? It gives you the difference, not the difference, but elements from both sets after eradicating the common elements. Now there's one more operator that we need to check is how we can have a subset testing operations. Yeah. So you have this subset testing operator, which is denoted by equal to, less than equal to. Yeah. Now you can check whether one set is a subset of another set by using the function is subset. If you remember in a previous method, you can check my previous videos to understand about this function in a better way, or the less than equal to operator. Now, a set A is considered a subset of another set B if all elements of A are also present in B. Yeah. Let me quickly run through an example so that you will understand. Suppose I have this S1 was 2. Yeah. So it will give me true or false. Okay. So I'm checking whether S1, this which has 1, 2, 3, is a subset of S2. So whether all the elements from S1 are available in S2. So this should give me true for both the options. Now, but if I try to change my S1 and add an element which is not available in S2, then it will give me the output as false. See this? So both the output has given me the same status given the kind of comparison that we are doing. So what we are trying to understand is the operator, specifically less than equal to operator we can use to find out whether a particular set is a subset of another set, which can also be done using is subset function or method that we have seen earlier. So these are various type of operators that we need to understand, or we can use it for a data manipulation. Hope I'm able to make sense on these operators. Hope you like this video. Do like, share these videos with your colleagues who want to learn Python in detail. Do comment if you have any views or if you have any suggestion or if you have any inputs which my learners would be able to understand and improve their knowledge. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to have this kind of informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.